Hi, here I'm going to demonstrate how to log in and then how to add a new client. First thing we do is to log in. Once we've logged in, all the functions will go real. One thing we could do is click this link, and that would give us a client list to date. Possibly we're working on them or some are complete. But right now I'm going to add a new lead. So I'm going to add a new client. I click this link, and all these options open up to me. Really what I'm after is browsing for an image on my computer, but I don't have one. So all the information I'm about to get is going to come from another website for a restaurant in Toronto called Bistro243. I've found their website. Here it is. So I think what I'll do is use this image. So what I do is I right click on it. I don't want to view it, I want to save it. Save image as. When I click it, it opens up a window into my computer. And these are obviously the locations of where I could store this image. So I'm going to go to C drive, images. I like to put them there. It's really up to me. Well, the name's pretty good too. Bistro243. No spaces, so I save it. Continue. That's my browser opening. I can close that. I'm using Firefox. I now have the image from here. The other thing I'm going to need from here is like email and all that stuff. So I'm going to click here. Wow, there it is there. The name of the business and everything. So I'm going to scrape it off. Highlight it, right click, and copy it. Now it's in my mouse. I'm good to go. I'll keep it handy though. Click the tab back over here to the manager. Now, I'm going to browse for an image and select a category. Category is going to be dining. Could do it after, but the image I'm looking for is the one I just loaded, which I of course remembered where I put it and remembered the name. So now there it is there. Ooh, it's a string of 3. It's a bit odd. However, we'll load it and see what happens. Machine will resize it. There it is there. It's curious. Normally I like them to be square, not rectangular like that. Although the page is cut off a bit, you get the idea. Now I take this box, get rid of that information. This becomes the body of the listing later. I'm going to right click and paste that stuff I got from their website into it. Now what I do is take this and place it into all the correct boxes. For example, the business name can go up here now. Here's the phone number. I'm going to cut it over into the telephone box. There's the email. Throw it in here. Website. Well, I'll go back to the website and go up to the URL bar. Get it out of there. Now I've also got the contact page, so I'll take this part out. .com. Street. King Street, Toronto. Toronto, I'm going to type it in. Sometimes it's faster. Full provincial name. CA for Canada. Postal code. We can leave the space in the postal code. I generally take it out. Now I'm going to copy this into my mouse again. Important feature here. What I want to do is locate their GPS point. So this link will open up a new tab. I'm going to put the postal code in it and find their location. Google Map. I'm going to pop it into this box here. It's over at the end. You can't see it, but it's there. It's the postal code. Hit go. Takes me right to their location. I'm going to actually click in a little closer. Make sure it's where I think it is. And if I was a little particular, maybe it's over a little. I could move this pretty well anywhere. But let's say it's there. That's the data I'm after. Now I just close this tab, back to the listing, paste it into the box, just about there. Password. Now here I'm just going to make one up. I'm going to put in B243. This information can come out, and although you can't see me typing this, I could put a full-bodied message in here, which would show up great on the listing if I really want to. Right now I'll just put coming soon. Title's in. This date is good. This way of expressing the phone is fine. It can be any of the 2 or 3 different ways on the mobile site it'll show. This is right. Toronto, Ontario. Looks good. There we go. It's in and ready to go. Shake your hand. So I could go here to the simulator in the email lead thing, or I could go here and edit the listing, but I'm not going to. Click this link. Down below is the actual simulator. And if we look at it, we see that the information's correct. I can open it up. Look at all the stuff. It's all there to work. Contact's good. Map would work because I put the GPS point in. There's the dot. Hit back. That's good to go. Now, in here, I could send the customer an email. It'll automatically default to my account. Look just like this. I can type one out such as Now, I like this link myself. I could send both. Copy. I just throw it in here. That'll work good. Make sure there's no space there and hit return. That link is clean. It'll get clicked on, and if so, we're going to track it. Dear customer, please have a look at the mobile site I've constructed for you. Here is a link to the site. Actually, I'm not going to say the cost. Now I don't have to sign it or anything because it's signed for me down here at the bottom. There's their email. It's going to go right to it. There's my message, no spelling, etc. Short, to the point. I could put both links in too. But I happen to like that one. Now I hit enter. Gone. Now I'm going to hit my back button and get this link. Copy it again into my mouse and go to my clients, because this guy's now in here. Bistro 243, client. Now he's in here somewhere. There it is there. So I'm going to paste this link into this box neatly. Make a note to myself. And I'm going to track it. Update. Return to list. There it is. If that link gets clicked on, these buttons will light up. And I'll know that the customer clicked it and that it's a good time to phone them. That's the first step in creating a lead.